Yes, week 37, Uganda excels. There's the audio avatar on the beat. Yeah, yeah, nezi yafumba beat zendi ya week after week gwetunula ku kalenda. What do? We number the days, every minute is hours. Obacha Uganda chite. Yes, I'm excels but you should call me flows below. Ayanaba kaya yana nebi ebyogero. If you know, you know. My name is really heavy, I'm dealing with great sin on yabu with Twenkanya Magezi. I'm targeting so far, tebategira chofa. We koka biocha, chonacho so sa. Obaba wagizi waweza, obate waweza, your weekly is nothing but a pleasure. Man, this game is funny, chirungi zinzenchima, you gotta stick to yours, act like you're entertaining dummies. All I did was master the craft. I told it how it is, then surpassed them and laughed. Yeah, I give them fact on the fact. If I'm going up, I'm not even halfway to graph. Yeah, Uganda excels with 37. Dish on the camera, and there's the audio avatar on the beat, and we still going. Yeah.